In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your screen time not working on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying when your screen time isn't working because you might be trying to limit yourself and cut back on certain applications or certain times that you're going to be using your phone. And if you can't track that using the screen time application, it can be very frustrating. So the first thing that you want to do is head on over to your settings. Once you're here, it's going to look something like this. And the very first thing I want you to do is go over to General, go to Software Update, which is the second option, and make sure that your iPhone is fully up to date. If it's not, your screen time application might not be working as intended, as it might not be fully up to date with iOS. So once you've done that, all you want to do is go back and then scroll down until you find screen time, which is right under focus. And as you can see, my one is currently working. You're going to be able to do a lot of different things from this area, but if you want to, you can also lock screen time settings. By the very bottom, you're going to also see share across devices. And it says you can enable this on any device signed into iCloud to sync your screen time settings. So I would recommend turning this off if your screen time is not working on your iPhone. That way, it's only going to be on your native device, the one that you're using, and it's not going to be, through the cloud or anything like that and synced with different devices. I would definitely recommend that. I would also recommend at the very bottom, it says turn off app and website activity. Turning that off and then turning that on again should definitely help. And after all of those settings, if it still doesn't work, reset your iPhone and then it should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.